And a servant does not convey the truth of faith except for the truth of sincerity and based on it. And he is not faithful and has on the earth something to lean on and fear or consider him victorious. And the faithful advances day by day until he becomes faithful, opening up the pain. And you give him secret care. He is between Allah Almighty and him, and enters among the beloved, and goes down to the house of the accepted. And a servant does not reach the truth of faith without understanding the truth of sincerity and acting upon it. And he is not faithful and has on the earth something to lean on and fear or consider him victorious. And no one is saved from the self-determination and its evils only after God accepts him sincerely and impregnates him with his bounty, beauty, and power, and makes him taste the drink of the spiritual people. From the words of Christ, alayhi salam, the virtues of the honest YouTube channel. Islamic Guidelines Info. For more latest updates, subscribe channel.
गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है।